Hey everybody, quick tip here on how to get rid of this nasty white from this image. So I've got two images. I have got my kind of clip art world thing here and my background image. So the idea would be to remove the white from here and then give us, flexibility to change the colors in the black. So we could have a blue earth, blue world, red world, whatever. But the main thing is that we kill all this white so that we can kind of comp this into the background so it looks like it's sitting on the wall. And usually, you could do this by multiplying, but if we do it this way, we don't have editability over the black, because once we start adding in a color overlay, you see that we get this white shit happening. And we don't want that. So there's another way to do it. It's super simple. We can double click on the right over here. And that will open up our layer styles, and we have this blend if option. So we can do this layer or the underlying layer. So we want to do this layer. And if we pull the white, see how the white just completely disappears? So if you do it the other way, that gets rid of the black. So what we want to do is we want to pull the white all the way, press OK. Then you want to group this. So you can press Control G. That will group your file. And on this group here, we want to go on FX down here, color overlay. And now we have complete editability of, what color we want this to be. So maybe we want to stay black. Maybe we can match one of the colors in the jacket or jeans maybe. But let's just go black. Just leave it the way it was. What I would do is I would Control J, and that would dupe this file, and I would just hide this just so we always have that kind of live file kicking about, because what we're going to do now is we're going to merge the group, and now that's completely merged. So what we do now to kind of get this to integrate better with the background is to do the exact same thing again. So double click on the right, that will open up your layer styles again, and instead of doing this top bar, we're going to do the underlying layer. So that means that the dark and white values of this pink wall will directly affect the layer above it. So if we pull the black, you'll see the black starts to get removed from the wall. If we do it this way, it's the white areas that are killing off. So you can see here, the brighter areas are killing the black and the darker areas are retaining the black. If we do it the opposite way, you'll see that the darker areas are starting to kill that black, but the lighter areas are retaining it. So it's down to your personal preference, whatever way you want this to look. Let's try and do it this way. If you want a smoother transition between, what gets killed and what doesn't, you can press Alt and kind of hover on one of these, and then you can gradually split these. You can get a more subtle effect like that. That might look cool. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Look at that. Bam. That looks like it's been painted on the wall. So, quick tip. You have full editability. You can change the colors, do what you want, and hopefully speed you up a wee bit. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.